So, we have the running program here for tracking ocean surface flow with the map already loaded through the Load Map button. If we choose a location roughly along the equator where the flow runs from right to left predominantly. On the screen we have the date time picker where the date is already selected. We also have longitude, latitude, bearing in degrees, the daily distance in meters, and the elapsed days. Now, the data for that singular coordinate we've already selected is now appeared on the screen, where we can now press Start Drift as we've received the data, enabling the button. After about 5 seconds, the days elapsed will go up to 1, and the data will increment up to the next day, moving our coordinate wherever it needs to move to, as you can see. And our coordinate has moved from right to left. As proof, our bearing follows that same pattern, and the daily distance also seems to fit, as it has left its own coordinate and has moved to the next one, and also it is now automatically incrementing through each day by day. Now, if we want to stop the code and choose a new location, we simply press Stop Drift, which will now stop the particle from moving, allowing us to choose a new coordinate. Now that we can choose a new coordinate, let's choose one on land. When I click on the land coordinate, it should find the closest sea coordinate, which it does. If you can see, it's just there. Now if we start the drift from that new location, it should move it to wherever it needs to go. However, it looks like it will hit land. The days elapsed doesn't move along, it still starts from the same date that we moved a new location to. The daily distance is very small, so it might not move out of that pixel for a little while. But now if we want to stop the code, we press Stop Drift again, and we can choose a location in the overlap right down here. As you can see, there are two sets of this data. As explained before, the map is 400 degrees, so there is an overlap, and when we choose this location there's no issue, no errors, and we can start it again in that area.